Hi friends, good morning. Today let us start the standard 10 subject chemistry, chemical reaction and equation. Our topic name it is the type of chemical reaction. Okay. So in this topic first point we have seen the combination reaction. Then decomposition reaction. So what is mean by combination reaction? Combination reaction means when two product combine and it give only one product, it is called as the combination reaction. Okay, then second point it is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means when only one single reactant it give two or more than product, it is called as the decomposition reaction. Okay, then combination reaction, another point also see, that is the name is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means heat is released, it is called as the exothermic reaction. Then decomposition reaction, another point see as endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction means heat is evolved, it is called as the endothermic reaction. Okay, then third type of the chemical reaction, the name is displacement reaction. That is, one is single displacement reaction and second it is double displacement reaction. So what do you mean by single displacement reaction and what do you mean by double displacement reaction? First see the meaning of single displacement reaction. The general equation of single displacement reaction is A plus BC it give AC plus B. Means this A remove to the another element means B, and B it is the byproduct and it give AC, that is the product, and it is called as the single displacement reaction. Okay, जो A रहता है, A क्या करता है, B को डिस्प्लेस करता है और उसे रिमूव करता है और हमें क्या मिलता है, AC, एंड विद बाय प्रोडक्ट B, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. सो फॉर एग्जांपल Ap in solid form, it is reacted with copper sulfate in aqueous form, it give, that is the Ap remove to the another element, that is the copper, and copper is displaced and it give ferrous sulfate or iron sulfate in aqueous form with byproduct copper. This is the example of single displacement reaction and it is the same as it is the general equation of single displacement reaction, that is the A plus BC it give AC plus B. A for Ap, BC for B for copper, C for sulfate, A for Ap, C for sulfate, B for copper. Okay, second example, that is the zinc in form solid, it is reacted with zinc sulfate ZnSO4 in aqueous form, it give, that is copper sulfate. This zinc remove another element that is copper, and it give zinc sulfate in aqueous form plus it give copper in solid form, copper in solid form. This is the example of single displacement reaction. Another example C, that is lead means Pb in solid form, it is reacted with copper chloride in aqueous form, it give, that is the same way lead remove or another element displaced, that is the copper, and it give lead chloride with byproduct copper in solid form. This is the example of single displacement reaction. Understand this point? Okay, another point it is double displacement reaction. So what is mean by double displacement reaction? So first consider the general reaction of double displacement reaction. So that is AB plus CD A plus B minus plus minus. Okay, so you know that already attraction between positive negative or negative positive and repulsion between positive positive or negative negative. So positive attract to D and negative attract to C. So which give product? A D. Okay, and byproduct B C. So how many time displacement? It's 2 time. So this reaction it is called as the double displacement reaction. So for example, Na2 SO4 in aqueous form plus barium chloride BaCl2 in also in aqueous form, it give the product, that is the sodium contains positive charge, sulfate contain 2 negative charge, barium positive, chloride negative. Means that's the reaction apply this equation, positive goes to the negative and negative goes to the positive, and it give the product, that's 2 molecule of sodium chloride, twice NaCl, and with byproduct BaSO4, barium sulfate. That's also write as barium sulfate BaSO4 plus twice NaCl. This right or this right? Okay. So this barium sulfate in give solid form and sodium chloride it give in aqueous form, and this barium sulfate the color is the white color, and this is the white color, it is called as the precipitate, and this reaction it is called as the also precipitation reaction. Okay, understand this point, double displacement reaction. So डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन को हम प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन भी कह सकते हैं. मीन्स इस प्रोडक्ट में ऊपर हमें पानी मिलता है और नीचे ऐसा वाइट प्रोडक्ट रहता है, और उस वाइट प्रोडक्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रेसिपिटेट. सो प्रेसिपिटेट मीन दिस सॉलिड, दिस कलर ऑफ बेरियम सल्फेट, it is the white color, and this is called as the precipitate, and this reaction also it is called as the precipitation reaction. Okay, thank you.